Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into a review of Workday accounting software platform to see if it's still a good choice. We'll start with an overview of Workday, looking at its market position and identifying its target audience, large enterprises and multinational corporations. Our review will cover core accounting features, integrations, reporting, and overall usability, with the purpose of assessing its current value proposition and how it stacks up against the competition. ETs examine Workday's core accounting functionality, starting with the general ledger, noting its flexibility and customization options for the chart of accounts, automation capabilities for journal entries, including approval workflows, and streamlined period-end close processes with robust reconciliation tools. Then we'll look at accounts payable, featuring invoice processing with OCR, automation, and matching, as well as vendor management tools, including a self-service portal and compliance features. It includes payment processing with integration to banks and multiple payment methods. Next, we'll discuss accounts receivable, including customizable invoicing and delivery options, customer management with credit limits and payment terms, and automated collections reminders with dispute resolution processes. From there, we move into fixed assets, which includes depreciation calculation with various methods and compliance features, asset tracking for lifecycle management and disposal, and reporting tools for integration with financial statements. Finally, we'll examine cash management, including automated bank reconciliation with matching rules, accurate cash forecasting with scenario planning, and investment tracking for portfolio management and performance analysis. You'll also explore Workday's integration capabilities, starting with HCM integration that facilitates seamless data flow between HR and finance, supports employee expense management, and provides payroll integration. Then we have CRM integration, which allows for sales data synchronization, revenue recognition automation, and customer profitability analysis. We'll discuss its planning and budgeting features, including budgeting tools with scenario planning and variance analysis, forecasting capabilities with predictive analytics, and tight integration with accounting data. Finally, we'll cover third-party integrations, noting the open API for custom integrations, the app marketplace with pre-built connectors, and compatibility with integration platform as a service or IPaaS solutions. ETs discuss reporting and analytics. We'll start with pre-built reports that includes financial statements such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. There are also operational reports like AP aging, AR aging, and sales analysis, all presented within customizable dashboards with key performance indicators, or KPIs. We'll also cover ad hoc reporting that has a drag-and-drop interface for report creation, providing real-time data access with data visualization tools. We'll then look at predictive analytics, offering machine learning-powered forecasting, anomaly detection, and scenario planning. And lastly, we'll cover the audit trail, which provides comprehensive tracking of all transactions, user activity monitoring, and compliance reporting. EXT lets evaluate the user experience and usability, starting with the interface and its intuitive navigation, mobile accessibility, and personalized dashboards. We'll also consider ease of use, including role-based access controls, available training and documentation resources, and user support options. Last, we'll consider customization, including configurable workflows, branding options, and the potential for personalized user experiences. ETs discuss cost and value. We'll start with implementation costs, including software licensing fees, implementation services, and training costs. Then we move to ongoing costs, including maintenance fees, support costs, and upgrade costs. We'll consider the return on investment, or ROI, based on efficiency gains, cost savings, and improved decision-making. Finally, we'll explore the value proposition, which includes scalability, innovation, and compliance. He will also address the strengths and weaknesses of Workday. Among its strengths are comprehensive functionality, strong integration capabilities, robust reporting and analytics, and a modern user interface. We'll then discuss weaknesses, including high implementation costs, complexity of configuration, limited support for smaller businesses, and the potential for over-customization. Now let's compare to alternatives and competitors, starting with SAP S/4HANA, covering its overview and key features, and comparing its strengths and weaknesses to Workday. We'll move on to Oracle NetSuite, again, providing an overview and key features, and comparing its strengths and weaknesses to Workday. Then we'll cover Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance, with an overview and key features, plus a comparison of its strengths and weaknesses to Workday. Finally, we'll briefly mention other notable competitors such as Sage Intacct and BlackLine. In conclusion, we'll summarize Workday's current standing in the accounting software market, recap its key strengths and weaknesses, and provide recommendations based on specific business needs and size. Our call to action will suggest scheduling a demo, consulting with an implementation partner, and conducting a thorough needs assessment. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.